Welcome to Goyo's Garden and Tie-Dyes. I'm Greg. I got another package. All right, this is from Steph from Belladonna. She told me she was cleaning out her inventory for new stock and was going to donate it, so she donated it to me. What a lucky guy I am. All right. And also a chance to showcase a different knife. Look at that one. You don't see those too often. Okay? Gee. There you go, Bo. I love it. See if it cuts. Maybe not. Whoop. Sorry about that. Done. Finished. It's a model 1918. It's like the trench knives that they used to carry, but not a switchblade. Oh, geez. I got a bag of shirts. Wow, you said a couple. I didn't know you meant a couple dozen. Well, I'm going to have to hang them all up anyway, so I'm taking them out. Look at these beauties. Woohoo. That's a nice inventory there. I'm going to be hanging them all up, so let me move this over like this. Wow. We'll do a quick reveal. That's gorgeous. Woohoo. Drape them right here. Oh, darn, they're not my size. I'd have loved those ones. I love them anyway. Cool. I mean, that's some nice inventory there. That I'm, oops, keep bumping my pads. All right. Go. Bella Canvas. I just did a Bella Canvas shirt, I think. All right. You might find these down on 4th Street. Okay, I better hurry, huh? Throw some out there real quick. Those are beautiful. Oh. This one's sold already. I know who's going to get it. But not before I copied the design. That's beautiful. Sorry for laughing. I'm having a blast. Ooh. Well, I'm guessing my wife, this won't be selling anywhere. All right, Tracy, and thinking this one especially for you. Look at that. Wow. So soft. I just did some shirts today, and I probably should have did the geode, but I had to do something different. Oh, man, this is great. See, you got to get to relive some of her shirts here, too. Wow. Oh, that feathering is very nice. See, I've learned all those words throughout the years. Like I said, I'm going to hang all these up right away. I see a 3X. Yeah, you'll probably be seeing this in my harvesting videos. We'll put that one off to the side of that. Man, thank you so much. This is fantastic. I love that one. Some people on your end of your website or SD are going to lose out, that's for sure. Winter chicken dinner. Look at this stuff. This is gorgeous. will be sold separately from mine. Ooh, look at that one. I know. See, I'm already seeing friends of mine in these. Got a little tatter, but that's quite all right. It feels nice and soft. Wow. Okay, try and go through. Halloween time. Nice spider. Yeah, Halloween, San Francisco Giants, and our local high school. Ooh. Okay. Very, very quickly. Oh. Nice. What size is that one? XL. Man, I know people who, these are already sold. That's incredible. Beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, not before I get some of these patterns. They are a lot more beautiful in person, that's for sure. And my light does not do anything justice out here. Sorry, I'm working on it. By the time I come back from harvest, it'll all be different. Quickly as I can here. Double spiral. Very beautiful. Using my light too. This one's a DOI, dye over ice. Look at that. Sorry, I'm going very quickly here. I'm rechanging everything out here right now. But wow. I mean, you said a couple shirts, Steph. I didn't mean to have 3 delivery guys carry it upstairs. Oh. Ooh, they're twins. Or is that the dye over? I wonder. Nope, dye under. See, I remember, look on your tags. I remember when you did that. All right, he's got a couple more here. See, everybody gets to relive all these beautiful shirts again. Wow. I think my stuff looks like shit now compared to yours in person. These are gorgeous, gorgeous. My big head in your way? Sorry. I want to get face right down in there. Okay. A few more. Remember this? The long sleeve. Kid small. Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, all these look so much better in person. Wow. Sorry, you took all this time to fold them, but I'll be hanging them, so. Yeah, pastel one, that's beautiful. All right. That was cool. All right, a couple more. I think there's like 30 maybe. No, there's like 3 here. Well, I thank you so much, Steph. That's quite a lot of inventory there. Ooh, remember that one? That's pretty cool. Almost, I've got a couple tapestries I got to do still. I like that design. All right, we got one more to go. What a sweetheart, Steph. And it's your birthday coming up. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Actually, this is my video for tomorrow. Today is, what? Tuesday the 20th? Wow. Steph, thank you so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. If you had to donate it to somebody, I'm glad it was me. Thanks. Wow, that was pretty cool. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like it, please hit like. I know I liked it. If you want to share it, please do. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you next time.